Hi, this is Mr. Bing again. We're still working on Principles of Engineering 2.1.6. We just did part 1, which was figuring out just the angles of the truss, and now we're going to try to figure out the the length of each of the members of the truss. And so what I want to do here is click on this. Is this what I need to be doing? Is that visible to you guys? Oh, and then there's a little me. That's nothing's happening. There's a little me, and then there's the truss that we were working on before. We figured out all these angles. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And then I'm going to switch. What I'm going to switch to this, to here. Let's see what happens now. Something maybe happening. I don't know. We don't have time for this, Nazim. Oh, there we go. And so the truss now, where we left off, I made a nice new picture of it. This is where I was before. We'll come back to that if necessary. I get the feeling it will be necessary, but I wanted to make a clean version of it. Let me, what do I do? Stop share? Is that what that? Okay. I wanted to make a clean version of it. And so we know that this is 3 and this is 3. So figuring out what that member would be is the Pythagorean theorem. And the Pythagorean theorem, how does that work? 3 squared plus 3 squared equals whatever that is squared. 3 squared plus 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 3 squared is another 9. And so that's 18. And then the square root of how you do that, right? 18 square root. So here I got 4.24. I'm just going to write 4.24. I'm going to write 4.24. I rounded off a lot of my angles. I didn't want to round off that value. This 56 here is like a 56.3, but I just rounded off my angles. But I don't want to round off these, at least not yet, 4.24, even though that is rounded off because it's 4.2426406871119285. So I just rounded it up to 4.24. 3 squared plus 3 squared is 18, and the square root is 4.24. It is symmetrical, so it's the same on both sides. And then I already know that 3 plus 2 is 5. I already know that one's 5. And 2 plus 3 is 5. I know that one is 5. And I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm not even gonna do that one. So I'm only missing at this point. What am I missing? I'm missing this one, which is the same as this one. This I should have not done a part 2 on this video. I should have just included it in the part 1. But what are you gonna do? Go back in time, no. Lewis? No time machine. Not yet. It's interesting that having a time machine is a matter of time. So that's kind of a problem. I need a time machine to go forward to where the time machine will be invented. So the 3 is 4.24. So now I need this member, and this member is also a right triangle, which has a, if you'll permit me to put that back in, this right triangle that I just made an imaginary line is a 3 by 2. So you got a 2 and a 3. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 2 squared is 4. And then, 2 squared is 4. And 3 squared is 9. And 9 plus 4, 13. And the square root of that is 3.605512754639989. I'm just going to put 3.61. 3.61. This one is 3.61. And did I get everything? Did we get all the angles and all the lengths of the members now? I think we have it. I'm going to stop this video. This is a lot quicker, and whatever. Go back to this. No, not that. Don't want that. Make that stop. Escape. Well, it won't stop. Okay. It's starting to panic a little bit. I don't know if I wanted to do that. I want to change to this so you can see my face again, my hidden face. And let me stop share. There we go. That's me. We did it again. John, we did it again. Yes, very good. Stop recording now. Bye-bye.